Belfast is in Northern Ireland, so we're taking a trip across the Irish Sea today. Belfast is the UK home to Bombardier, an enormous international aerospace business that designs and manufactures innovative aviation products. This includes private executive jets like the Learjet, commercial passenger planes that carry people across the world, and specialised aircraft to meet a client's specific needs, like search and rescue planes. And in Belfast, as well as designing and making components for engines such as the Rolls-Royce Trent engine, which powers planes such as the Airbus A330, Bombardier makes aircraft fuselages and wings for a huge variety of aircraft. Bombardier Belfast specialises in the design and development of complex composite and metallic aerostructures used in building civil aircraft. That includes the fuselage and wings. It uses cutting-edge technology to create parts from composite materials, things like carbons and plastics, to make some of the lightest wings around. When designing parts for aircraft, engineers and technologists want to take advantage of the very latest engineering advances to make aircraft that are as strong as possible and also as light and efficient as they can be. See you next time!
Amy Aviation's British Aeronautics, with support from the Royal Aeronautical Society. Find out more at funkidslive.com/Amy.